Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to make an account with AVON and how to place a purchase. First, what you want to do is go to youravon.com. Now if you have a representative, you can type in their name. For example, my website is youravon.com/CassandraBrooks. Okay, and once that is loaded, go right here to sign in. Now for those of you who do not have an account, what you do next is you go down here to create an account. You can enter your name, your email, create a password, and a password hint. Down here, you check the box that states that you have read and understood the privacy statement, the terms and conditions, and so on. And there is a box automatically checked. You can uncheck it if you please. Basically what it is it's a signing you up to receive email exclusive offers, new product information, latest trends, and lots more. And you just click register. For those who already have an account, you just click sign in and you can go ahead and log in. Now, once you have either created an account or logged in, you can choose from any of these tabs here. You have the shop categories, sales and specials, holiday sales, the new and now. Then there's the how-to, which are guides to show you how to use certain products. There are causes that we support: cancer, feeding the children, and domestic violence, and then the brochures. You can go here to shop the brochures online, or you can go here to shop by product number. I'll show you how to do that later. For now, go here. Say for example, you want to shop in fragrance. You just hover over this, and you can go through the categories and all that, or you can just click fragrance and it brings you to the main area. Now you can go through the categories here as well, say candles perhaps. Okay, and once that is loaded, you can scroll through and find the fragrance that you want, or fragrances, and click on it. From there, you can add it to your bag. Now here, it will tell you that how many items you have in your bag. It'll tell you your subtotal. And up here in the pink, it will tell you how much away you are from free shipping. For example, it tells me that I am $20 away from free shipping currently. You also have the option to check out with PayPal, or, that pops up from time to time. You can check out with PayPal, or you can just straight check out, or you can continue shopping. Now, for the brochure shop by product number, what you do for that, it will allow you to go back 2 campaigns. Currently we're in campaign 26, but you can go back to 25 and 24. For example's sake, let's say you wanted to get something from the campaign 24 brochure. You would select campaign 24 in the Dropbox. You would go into your brochure and you would find the product that you wish to purchase. Underneath the name and the price, you will find a 6-digit product number. You simply type that in, and it automatically brings it up for you. Then you just type in how many you want, and you can add it to bag, or if you typed in the product number wrong, you can click clear form, and it automatically resets it, and you can type in the correct code. Add your amount, add to bag. From there, you can click view shopping bag, or go here, up to the top, click view bag. Now you can continue shopping to get the free shipping, or also sometimes we'll have a code here you can use. Now you can see the 2 items that you have here, and you still have the option to check out with PayPal or just check out. Now here is something that I recommend to quite a lot of people. If you are ordering online as an e-store customer, you are welcome to add a free brochure to your bag. And when you receive your order, for example, say we're in campaign 26, the brochure will follow immediately into the next campaign. So you order with campaign 26, but you will receive campaign 21's book, or campaign 1's book, I'm sorry. You will receive the next campaign's book. From there, check out. Now here it shows your address, and you can check that and make sure it's right. You can pick your shipping method. Is your order a gift? You can say who it's to and from and write a message. It also shows you your items here yet again. You can then over here still select either PayPal or credit card and type in your credit card information or debit card, and then you just simply place the order. Once you have placed an order, I'm not going to do that, but once you have placed an order, it will give you a order number, and you will receive updates on your order. AVON is strictly through UPS for shipping. And you can go here, return to shopping bag. If there's an item that you want to remove, you can do so. That's about all you have to do to order. You just search for what it is that you want and place an order. Simple as that. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns on how to do this, you're free to contact me. I'll answer any question that you have to the best of my abilities. Thank you so much.